Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. So today we are here for grade 10 maths. The chapter name today we discuss that is transformation. These are the list of the lesson. The first lesson today we discuss which is rotations, find the coordinates, composition of congruence transformation, graph the image, transformation that carry a polygon onto it, congruence transformation, dilation, graph the image. These are the list of the lessons. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com. You have to log in by using their email and password that are provided by the administrator. Go to the subject tab, select math from there, scroll down to the grade 10. Here are the list of the chapter for the maths. So we are on transformation, so let's do with it. So today we covered the rotation, find the coordinates. This is the name of the lesson. So okay, write the coordinates of the vertices after the rotation of 90-degree counterclockwise around the origin. Okay, so as we know that what is the meaning of counterclockwise? So when you are going to move clockwise, so it means that it's just like a clock, it's just like in this way. For example, if they are saying that like clockwise, so you are going to move like this way. Okay, and if they are saying that like counterclockwise, so it means that like this way. Got it? So this is the counterclockwise and this is the clockwise, counterclockwise. So here, as we know that, look at here, they are saying that how much the rotation, this is 90-degree. So the first one, that is the origin, which is the same, which is 90 90 0 0. Second 90, so this can be changed into 0 and 9. This is 0 and minus 9, so this can also be changed with the 9 and 0. Also, the negative sign can be changed into the positive sign with it. Let me show you. So look at here. This is the counterclockwise. This one here and this one. We're just going to move it like here. For example, I'm going to tell you. Okay. This is your origin. Same values over there. This is negative y. Okay. All right. And this one is y. So here is your question like, for example, if the graph line is on there and let me just check it out. For example, this one. So what are these point? What is this point? So your this point is 6 and 0. What is your this point? 0 and negative 5. This point is 0 and 0. Okay, when you are going to rotate it, so here is the rotation, like this can be rotated from this 5 to this 5, and that is the same thing. Okay, so this should be like 0 and 5. This is 0 0, and that is 0 and 6. So write the coordinate of the vortices after the rotation of 180-degree counterclockwise around the origin. This is a basically like this way. So the counterclockwise, as we know that, look at here. This is for the 90 and this is for the 180, because each is one. Like for example, this full one is, this is for 90, and here is for 180. Each basically this one is for 90-degree. If they are saying that rotate it for 180, it means that you are going to rotate the two basically coordinates. Okay, so now here look at, they are saying that for 180. So for 180, what you do, you are just going to put for 180-degree, and here you go with it with, like for example, the first point is 5 and minus 9, 5 and minus 1, 1 and minus 8. This can be changed into 5 and minus 9, so this change into minus 5 and 9, minus 5 and 1, so minus 5 and minus 1, 1 minus 8 and minus 1 and 8. Only the signs are changed now if they are saying that rotating 180-degree. Got it? Positive can become negative and negative is positive. Now for 180 only the signs are changed, but when they are saying that rotate for the 90-degree, so for the 90-degree both the values are changed, like in this way. For the 180 only, like this is 0 and minus 5, so like for example 1 and minus 5, so this can be changed for 180 is minus 1 and 5. This is the case happened for 180, but when they're talking about for the 90, so what is it, like it's 1 and minus 5, so here it can be changed into minus 5 and 1. So first shift the position and also their sign, and also their sign. Okay, like for example, what's the sign for the first one? 1 and 1, so this is 1. Okay, 1 and 10, so the minus 10. Third one with again minus 10, and the fourth one with again minus 1. Okay, with the first values, with the very first values, like this one and this one. Okay, like 1 and 5, so minus 5 and 1. So this is for the 90-degree. Shift the position and also changing the sign of the first value. And for the 180, only the position changing their signs. Understand? This is the thing that we have done in the rotation, find the coordinates. Got it? Hope you guys understand it. Let's do the next lesson. What's the find the coordinates? We have done it. It's not, so here. Composition of the congruence transformation graphs the image. So graph the image rectangle E, F, G and H after the following transformation. Okay, so we are going to use the following transformation to basically look at here, and these are just some points, okay, that is given, and we convert it. Like for example, we take a proper example here and then we will solve it by using this one. Okay, I'm just going to put the question, some question. So rotation 180-degree counterclockwise around the origin for the rectangle. Let's just do it. So here is the graph. So here 0, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, this is your x, this is your minus x, it's minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. Let me just take it out some of the examples. Okay, then this is for 1, 2, 3, then it's for 4 and 5. Okay, this is for y, and now for the negative y. It's not like that. The proper line, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4 and negative 5. Understand, like for example, when we draw some points over there on the graph, okay, or you can say that some points. I'm just going to draw it like not like this. Let me draw proper graph here, okay, because it will help us like in the proper way. So this is for 0. Here like are different points. I'm not just choosing the points here now. Okay, so for example, here is your triangle, okay, or rectangle, you can say that it's a rectangle here, and here are the some points which is on like the first point is like it's a, this is your b, okay, that one is c and this is your d. What is your a point? Let's write some points over there. For example, here the point is 3 and 2, like 3 is for x-axis and 2 is for y-axis. This is for 7 and 2. Let's just suppose this is for 7 and 8. And now for D, it's like 3 and 8. Or if I'm going to choose it like the numbers, so here it's A, B, C, and D. Okay. For example, this is your graph, and here is the origin of the graph, and then there is a rectangle. So how can we change it? By after rotating 180 degree. Look at here the logics. The first thing, the very first thing. What is the point A? Your point A is 3 and 2. So after transformation of rotation, like this is the rotation form. So how can we change? This is minus 3 and minus 2. Positive can be changed into negative. What is for B? This point is like 3 and 8. It's like B and rotation after minus 3 minus 8. This is the rotation of 180 degree, I'm telling you. Okay. Now for the C, it's 7 and 8. So where it is? For C, that is minus 7 minus 8. And for D, this is your 7 and 2. So the D is negative 7, negative 2. So now tell me where all the points are 0. It means that in this quadrant, because this is your negative x, this is your negative 5. Got it? So we are going to change this rectangle, you can say that, over there. Understand? And here are the points, like which kind of points we are going to put. We are going to put the points like in this way. This is the B here. Okay. This is the B here. Like where is the A? Now look at here. This one is A. So in front of this one is A. Got it? This is A dash. Now the same thing. This is your B dash. Now your C dash. Now your D dash. Understand? This is the way to solve it out. Like all these points one by one, we are just going to checking out this way. Look at here the full form. Okay. This can be, like you can say that a B can be changed into here, then a C can be changed into here, D can be changed into here, A can be changed into here. These are the points like we shifted after the transformation of 180 degree. Understand or not? This is the transformation of 180 degree. Now if we're gonna say that, hope you guys understand this one, how to transform the 180 degree transformation and all that things. Okay, this is the proper way I explained it here now. All right. A can be changed into both negative, then you just check it out on the graph. I'm not here drawing all the points, so you draw all the points properly, then check it out one by one. Okay. Okay, now let's discuss another lesson. Transformation that carry a polygon onto itself. Okay, so look at here. Here is the which of the following transformation carry the regular polygon onto itself. Okay, so here we are going to carry the polygon and regular polygon. They are saying that into itself. Okay, so when we see that, we are going to check it out. Like I'm wait, let me check my mic and everything. Yeah, everything is clear. So, which of the following transformation carry this regular polygon onto itself? Look at here. This is the basically the triangle, and it cuts into two parts. And this line is L. So, rotation of 180 counterclockwise, rotation of 180 clockwise, rotation of 90 counterclockwise, and reflection across the T. So the regular polygon has three sides, so it is an equilateral triangle. As we know that the first thing, all sides are same of this triangle, so we can say that which kind of polygon it is. This is a basically equilateral triangle because all sides are same. Now the second thing, we see that how many total sides? These are three sides. Okay, how many total angle in it? This is for, so n is for 3 odd, and L passes through the two midpoints. Look, it cuts the two lines, first line into the mid and the second line into the mid. So it means that there are two midpoints of this line, this L line. Okay, so the reflection answer, that is basically, you are going to check it out. This is the rotation of, so 360 divided by many sides, three sides. When you are going to divide it, your answer is 120. So it means addition of 180, 120 counterclockwise and rotation of 120 clockwise. Got it? I hope you guys understand it. Let's do the next. Look at here. Which of the following transformation carry this regular polygon onto itself? Look at here. Which kind of polygon it is? This is a basically square. All sides are same. We can say that. Okay. All sides are same. How many total angle? 360. How many total sides? 4. Divide it. 4. When we divide it, we get the answer 90. Check it out. Which one is closer? So it means that reflection across the L. Understand L? It means that this is a 90-degree, this is perpendicular to this one. Like how it's perpendicular, like for example, this is your square box and here is the line which cuts into the two. So look at here, the angle, it makes a 90-degree here and also the here 90-degree. Okay, okay, now you guys tell me the answer of this. Which of the following transformation carry this regular polygon onto itself? So look at here. This is which kind of polygon it is. This is a basically pentagon because how many total sides? These are five sides. You are going to divide 360 over the five. Okay. It's like something in the form of degree like 72 degree. Okay. Look at here the options. Rotation of 60 degree. No, this is not the answer. Rotation of 36 clockwise. No, this is not the option. Reflection across the L. No, it's not. Rotation of 72 counterclockwise. Yes, this is the answer because when we divide it 360 over the 5, we get the answer 72 degree. Understand? So, here is the question. Which of the following transformation carry this regular polygon onto itself? Look at here. This is the polygon. Which kind of it is? How many uh, sides total? Okay, rotation of 72, as we know that 1 2 3 4 5 6 sides, and when you are going to divide 360 over the 6, then you get the answer 60. So both options, like it's also the reflection across L, that is B, then it's rotation of 60-degree as well. This is a rotation of counterclockwise as well. So B, C and D all are the options. Okay, this already I think so we have done, but just repeat it again. So which of the following transformation carry this polygon onto it? It's a pentagon. So how many total sides? Total sides are 5. So 360 divided by 5. When you're going to divide 360 over the 5, so this is 72. Rotation of 72-degree counterclockwise. Okay. So how much of it? 72-degree. So it means that it's the option D. When we go with it, let's do with it. Yes, this is the right answer. Which of the following transformation carry this regular polygon onto itself? Which of the following transformation carry this regular polygon onto itself? This is a triangle, and how many total sides? Three sides. Okay, and then these are the equilateral triangle. Got it? So we can say that 360 over the 3, how much of it? It's 120. So rotation of 120 clockwise, option B. You're just going to divide the sides over the like 360 over the sides. How many total angle in it? Okay. Okay, now you guys tell me the answer of this. We already solved this question. Which of the following transformation carry this regular polygon onto itself? Do it, everyone. Everyone think about it and then tell me. Like you check it out. It's a square. All sides are same, and L is cut the two midpoints. Okay, and how many sides? Four sides. So 360 is divided. 360 is divided to four. So 4 times 9 is 36, and it's 90. It means that it's perpendicular. Is there any 90 or perpendicular? The first one is the rotation of 60. It's not. Second one is the rotation of 45. It's still not. Third one is the rotation of 120. No, it's not. And reflection across the L. How can we say that this is right? Because look at here, reflection across the L, it means that it's a 90-degree reflection because the angle in between these two lines is 90-degree. Okay. Now look at here this one. Which of the following transformation carry this regular polygon onto itself? Now you guys tell me. This is a triangle which is an equilateral triangle, and this triangle is cut by the two midpoints of the line L. Sorry, line L, yeah. So three triangles sides divided over 360, and then tell me the answer. Everyone just divide it. 360 over 3. It's 120. Yes, it's 120. How many options for 120 here? 2. Rotation of 120 counterclockwise, rotation of 120 clockwise. Okay, so it's A and B both. Hope you guys understand this lesson as well. Okay, so now today we covered first of all the rotation, find the coordinates. Then we covered compositions of congruence transformation, graph the image. We covered the transformation that carry a polygon onto itself. Now let's discuss the congruence transformation mixed review. Okay. So, look at here. Graph the image of trapezoid RSTU after a rotation of 270 degree clockwise around the origin. This is a basically 270 degree, okay, and around the origin this is in the and when you are going to do counterclockwise rotation 270 degrees, so it's in the third, okay, and you are going to rotate it, your image are rotating like in the form of this way. Look at here, this T point. What is the T point here? So the T point here is -4 and 10. Going to change it, it becomes -10 and -4. Okay, like the point is -4 and 10 only. And when you're going to change, it becomes -10, -4. Okay, both the negative sign. When we see the second point U, what is it? -4 and 8. It's -4 and 8. And here it's -8. Okay, it's again the change. This is for the point T. Now for the point of U. The first is like -4 and 8. Now for the second is -8, -4. Okay, changing the position and also putting the negative sign with the x values, like with the y values, like the second value is change, also the sign, as well as we shift the positions. So then, hope you guys understand. Let's discuss the third point, which is r. So where is r here? Let me just look at the r point. This is on 5 and -5 and 1. But when you're going to change how much the r, this is -1. Okay, y value is same, but x value is change, and here it's -7. Like it's sorry, it's -7 and 1. So here it's -1, -7. Okay, just changing the position as well as changing the sign with the x values. Now for the last, for the s. What is s? So your s is -7 and 10. So what is here? It's -10 and -7. Got it? Shift the position of x and y. Just look at here. It's also the same thing. We are going to transform. When you're going to transform the 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, just checking it out the points, how much we are going to change the positions. Okay, like the negative signs, how much we shift their points, like -5 and -2, so it becomes like 5. For example, if you have a I'm going to put a point here for x -5 and 2, so after transformation this point will be -2 and -5. This is in the case of 270 degree. Okay, like both have negative sign, but you also just change the positions. All the rules are available here. Okay, Hope you guys understand this lesson as well. So, the last lesson of the day, which is dilation graph the image. So, first of all, let me guys tell you what is the meaning of dilation in maths, okay? So, it's like contain the relative position of one point with respect to another point, okay? Because when you don't know about the distance, like if the distance is not given, so you are just going to finding it out the position of one point with respect to the position of the second point, okay? Like for example, when you are going to check, for example, the graph questions, and when you gave us a scale factor, okay, like graph the image of the square CDEF after a dilation with a scale factor of 5 centered at the origin. So look at here. When we see like these kind of questions, so how can we finding it out? We are first of all checking, look at here the question. Okay. If you have a scale factor, what is your scale factor? That is 5. It means that 5 square units. Like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 basically square units. This is a small graph. When you opened it, then you just change the positions. Understand? It's all up to you, like which kind of position that you are getting it into here. Like the bigger one, smaller one, like any kind of the graph that you are going to put it. For example, let me just draw here something important with the proper like dilation, okay? Let me just open it. So what is dilation and graph the image? Let me just open this one. So I'm going to open here example question, okay? Then you guys understand it. For example, if I'm going to say that there is a triangle and some vertices are given of that triangle, okay? And here is the graph I'm going to drawing. So some vertices are given A, B, and C. You are going to finding it out the triangle, the image after dilation of 2. Okay. For example, and I am going to drawing this a triangle here. Some points I'm just going to mention. This is a point A, B, and C. And here the point A is, let's suppose, -4 and 5. And the point B is -4 and 2, and the point C is 0 and 2. You are going to find the image, draw the image, okay, after the dilation of 2. So what does it mean? It means that like after the dilation of 2, for example, this point A is -4 and 5. After the dilation, how can we change? We are going to add up -4, or it's only 4 plus 2, 8 minus 8, 5 plus 4 times 2 is 8, 5 times 2 is 10. Multiplying the deletion thing. Your B is minus 4 and 2. Multiplying to both the numbers minus 8 and 4. For your C is like 0 and 2, multiplying the dilation number which is 2, that is 0 and 4. Now draw these points on the graph. So where it is, then it's all up to you. Got it? For example, these points are here, which is given, and they're saying that after dilation you are going to draw the points. So first of all, you finding it out the dilation. For example, in some most of the cases, dilation like scale is 5, and for example, your value of A is 2 and 3. So what's the answer? 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15. So the point which is after dilation, that is 10 and 15. Just multiplying the scale, you multiplying the dilation with that numbers with the coordinates and then put a new image. Hope you guys understand this one. Okay, this is basically simply the dilation. Got it? So if you still need any help in any of the question, then you can contact tutors. Here is a basically the chat button, so you can click over there, choose your department, look at here, maths help, English help, put their name, and then just chat. Okay, in this way, this is the new method we introduce. We are just getting close the Skype, that's why we are going to use this one. This is easy for you. Like for example, when you open only the app, your this app, okay, and then there is a chat button, you click it, and whatever that you need help, we are going to help you. Hope you guys understand the lesson. So today we covered this chapter transformation, and here are the lessons today we covered. These are the 5 lessons today we discussed, and hope you guys understand it. So see you in the next class. Have a good day, you all. Bye.